Okay, I'm making sushi bake tonight for dinner. I've already got my chopped shrimp in here in the bowl. It's just that's loud. Thawed shrimp. I've just chopped it up into little pieces. Gonna make it into shrimp salad, basically. You want to take your imitation crab and we're gonna shred it. All right, got our shrimp meat. Adding our imitation crab meat. Half a block of cream cheese or neufchatel if you're bougie like me. Again, it was an accident, but okay, we're going with it. I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce. Not much, just a splash. Kewpie mayo, Sriracha. Actually gonna add a little furikake now. This is my favorite brand. I love this one. This is the one I always look for. I've been letting that drain. I use the solid white albacore. I don't deal with chunk light anymore. Excuse me, the neufchatel. Go and Kewpie mayo. Some sesame oil and green onions. Show you to make sushi rice. I do 1, 2. I will put exact measurements in the description. I know I'm bad about that. Sprinkling of sugar, balance out that acidity. Furikake. In your oven, bake for 10 to 15 minutes. A little more Kewpie. Go ahead and go back over. Some avocado. I'm just gonna, too hot to eat. That was really good. I hope you guys enjoy. That's all.